Hello, my name is Dennis Leonard. Welcome again to my channel. Like you see, this is the video on how to create a custom thumbnail for short video on YouTube. So first of all, I use my KineMaster. I use the mobile. You can use a PC. Like you see, that is the video displayed on my KineMaster. So use that video, and the first 2 seconds to the start of the video, I put my thumbnail. Like you see, but I show you how I put it there. See, wait, like you see, is how I export my video. I already export my video. So the concern here is to how to create a YouTube shorts, YouTube customers thumbnail for your short video on YouTube. Okay, like you see there.
Hakuna anayepinga kwamba maisha yetu sasa hivi yote yamehamia katika mfumo wa digital, ikimaanisha smart.
I started uploading my video. It's already on YouTube. After that, like you see, I'm starting uploading my video. I confirm the video. After confirm the video, like you see, like you see, yes, I confirm the video. It's uploading. I wanna you see the step by step on what you did. Wait, keep waiting. Let's see. Yes, keep waiting. Yeah, please, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please, I want you to subscribe it. And then it will be best for us. Okay, like you see, that is the video.
Hakuna anayepinga kwamba maisha yetu sasa hivi yote yamehamia katika mfumo wa digital, ikimaanisha smart.
Place to edit the music. Yes, that step. So the best part of this video is in this step. Like you see, there is the pencil here. Yes, I like my title. My video is already choose the thumbnail, which is beginning of the video. Like you see, that picture I put in the beginning of the video by using my KineMaster, it's already shown as the thumbnails. But I don't use this step to show you how I put there. I'll show you step by step how to choose that part of my video as a thumbnail. Now I will upload this video as a YouTube video, but the short video is already uploaded step by step when I show you there.
Okay,
like you see. Yes, no. No. Yes, like you see there, it's uploaded. Please subscribe to my channel. Yes, it's done. Thank you so much.